welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Pujita, and like you all know, my holidays is going on, and I'm just going to Chennai. If you ask why Chennai out of all places, then it's because my best friend lives there, and she invited all of us to go to Chennai and just chill in her home, and that's why we are going. So actually, this is my second time going to visit Chennai. The last time also we did the same thing. Like my friend invited us and we stayed for 2 days. But like last time, what happened is that we just saw the main like attractions and like main monuments, but like I didn't explore the food scene of Chennai. Like me being a food blogger, I didn't explore, so I was like, this time we definitely have to explore the food culture. Like I want to try more of the street food in Chennai, so I'm actually looking forward to that. Like I hope we can do that. And yeah, I'm going in the 4:30 Shatabdi train. So actually some scenes happened. So we were supposed to go today, like 24th. Today's 24th, right? Today is 24th. So 24th Vande Bharat in the morning. So when I woke up, I found out that our ticket have been not like it has not been confirmed, and it was waitlisted, and we were like, oh no, what to do? Because we genuinely wanted to go today and take 3 or 2 days to explore Chennai. And my friend found out afternoon evening train to Shatabdi, and we were like, okay, yeah, let's do it, let's go. And we were like 5 in the wait list, and we got confirmed. So it's like 2:30 now, so I'll just go like do final packing and just eat lunch and just cut. So guys, this is my luggage. I'm gonna take this one and my backpack over there. So I like to arrange my clothes in this Amazon packing cubes, and it actually looks organized and I can easily find it. And yeah, I'm also carrying a handbag for if we go out or anything. So yeah, this is it. I'm ready to go to the railway station. I think I'm late, but I hope I reach on time. Say hi to Diksha and Zaina. They're not late. We are on time. Actually, we are. Hey, the view is so nice, and that's my seat. And hey guys, it's 9:30 and we finally reached Chennai. We are so excited to be here. Look who joined us, guys. The first day of Chennai, we are going to explore some famous touristy spots, and we are all ready and we all look so good.
Finally, let's go.
Our first stop was the Vivekananda home, and it's said that Vivekananda stayed for a brief amount of time. It was a very nice experience, and you can get to know how Vivekananda stayed and his principles and everything. So next we are going to beach, which is here next to us. It is the famous Marina Beach. It's also one of the longest beaches of India, so we are very excited. Guys, we are in the Marina Beach and the weather is so nice. It's like Bangalore weather itself, because last time we came it was so hot and we were sweating so much. So this is like a very shocking thing. But the weather is very nice and I like beach and I'm very excited. So the next stop is St. Thomas Basilica. This is one of the oldest churches in Chennai, and today is Christmas, so it's decorated so well and the church is so aesthetic. Yeah. So we came to this place called Sage and Lavender for lunch. I mean, we had lunch. It's so aesthetic and it was nice.
I wouldn't say it was lunch.
Yeah, we are actually still very hungry because I don't know.
So
We wanna go. Yeah.
I think
Where we're gonna
some
wait for-
dessert time.
Yeah, dessert and like momos or golgappa. I don't know. We want to eat more. So yeah. So guys, it's a change in plan. It's raining, so we decided we'll just go to the temple. So there's a very famous temple in Chennai called Kapaleshwara Temple, and these are we tell why it's important. Yeah, we might go to the food street after that.
It's a famous temple for Shiva, so we are going there now.
ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳು.
It's a 400-year-old temple.
I don't know how old this is.
Okay, we are confused,
Guys,
but we are.
Yeah, we will figure
go.
it out.
Yeah.
Also, so many times I spoke in Kannada to people here and they're looking at me like I'm mad. I keep forgetting they speak Tamil and not Kannada.
ಮುಂದೆ ತಿರುಗು ಇನ್ನ ಫುಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಾರ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್
Take flower in
ನೌ ಟರ್ನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್
A nice darshan, so it is nice. We're gonna see if we can cover another temple which is famous, or else we are thinking of going to Food Street, and we hope the rain stops soon. Guys, I found this place next to the temple which has like the shop is full of Dasara dolls and it's so good. Like it's so nice and it's like every shelf has a different theme. It's so nice.
Okay, first.
Yeah. But like Diksha is shopping, guys.
And we had to cancel our auto because Diksha was taking a lot of time. And that's okay. Because we listen and we don't judge. Okay guys, do you want to see Pujita's fit check?
Fully drenched.
Yeah.
Bottle jugaad.
Okay, yeah. Look at that. So that she doesn't lose it. What plan next, Pujita, after this?
I think temple, another temple, or we'll go to Food Street. I want to go to Food Street, but yeah.
And
let's
eat
see.
what?
I want to try something yummy. Like it's raining, so I want something like fried and something of that category. What about you?
Guys, calories don't count when you're
You're
on
on
a trip.
vacation, yeah.
Yeah, so when you're on a vacation, whatever you eat just goes into the air, doesn't go into your tummy. So that's that.
Next, we went to this 6th century temple called Parthasarathi temple. It was very wonderful and the architecture was so good. We also saw Bharatanatyam dance after ages and it was so nice. But the best part was this, the temple prasadam. Next, we went to this desert place called Les Amis and we tried their waffle which was for rupees 500 but the taste was really good. And this is the end of day 1.
Hey guys, this is day 2. So we have plans to just chill today. And
The Uber is calling.
so we are going to Dakshin Chitra, which is like 36 kilometers from where we live. And we're also going to ECR, which is like a very amazing locality where there are a lot of beachside restaurants. And so yeah, we're excited to see what happens. ಏನಿದೆ So hey guys, we are at this place called Dakshin Chitra. It is approximately 30 kilometers from where we live and it's a huge place and it's so nice. Like this houses from different states and each state has like a cultural significance, like a house which depicts a history and it's so nice because
Specific history of pottery, weavers,
yeah.
and yeah, that's all I know.
So it's very nice.
It covers all South Indian states. So like Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So each houses has specific, like Tamil Nadu had pottery, Kerala had specific types of houses.
And we are done with Kerala. So we are next going to Karnataka. So guys, we are finally at the Karnataka part of this place. So this is Chikmagalur house and it looks very nice. It's so aesthetic. Like every house in this place is so aesthetic and every house has like a history to tell. Like you know how the people used to live and like the history and everything. So yeah.
இஸ்லாம் பரவிய எல்லா நாடுகளிலும் அந்தந்த நாடுகளிலே
Guys, today Chennai is Chennaiing. Like it is sunny today. It's actually very sunny and we are all sweating. Yesterday it was raining and it was so peaceful and we were like, wow, Chennai has changed. But no, Chennai is Chennaiing today. Voiceover Pujita is back. After visiting Dakshin Chitra, we were very hungry and we came to this beachside restaurant to eat our lunch. Hey guys, so we went to this beautiful place called the Beach Terrace for lunch. It had 500 rupees car charge per person, but it was totally redeemable and it was actually very nice. Like the beach view and the food, it was very nice. So you can check it out. So we thought that they have the beach access because we wanted to sit and chill by the beach, but they don't have, so we have to like go around like 2 kilometers and go to the beach. So we are seeing if there's any shortcut or anything which we can do.
Tirgo.
the houses, it's so cool. Like every day you can see the beach and every day you can come to the beach. That's so cool. I think this is where celebrities of Chennai live. Gala, 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 gala. Hey guys, good morning. So this is our day 3 in Chennai and it's also our last day. So we started early because we have a flight, not that rich. We have a train at 5 p.m. and we are outside Besanagar church. So we woke up early and we went to this very famous temple called Ashtalakshmi temple. It's not like your typical temple, okay? So it's like every place, like it's built so well. I actually call it a bhul bhulaiya, but it's not a bhul bhulaiya, but it's actually very nice. Like I really like the temple because it's so well done. So if you're in Chennai, you have to definitely check out. So we have some time to kill. So this is the Besanagar church and it's actually very beautiful. And we are going to the Besanagar beach to just chill because we all like beaches and we are very sad that we are going home today. What's mud coffee? So hey guys, we are going to home from Besanagar beach. So we did a very impulsive decision. Yeah, I was like, matte yavag bartivi beach ge, and we were like, okay, YOLO, and we played in the sea. And now my pockets, my everywhere, there's like everywhere in my body there's sand. And yeah, but we had a lot of fun and there was not much crowd, so it was a very nice experience. And yeah, it makes sense because I don't know when I'll come back to beach next time. So guys, we both are fully drenched and we are going in a separate auto.
Yeah, it was
Mad
so
experience, but we are full of mud and it's tickling.
good. It's very sticky, but it feels good.
Yeah, Bangalore isn't a beach, so we had
Of
to
course,
do
we
it.
had to do it.
Hey guys, so we are back at the railway station and this is the end of the Chennai trip. I hope you guys had a fun watch and please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would mean a lot and I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye, I will see you in Bangalore.